Hello guys, see you back on our channel. WSDS. In this video we will discuss how to overcome get ADDs inactive in insert menu. The way is pretty easy guys, Guys, just select File. This one, then select Option. Well, there are some options in this Excel option. This is a lot of choices friends, just select Save. Autosave on Drive and SharePoint Online Files. By default on Excel. Select the save files in this format. Then change to this Excel workbook. Then just OK guys. After that, it hasn't appeared yet. We just close it. And select Don't Save. Click Blank Document Workbook. Well, try going to Insert. Now you have this one, Get Add-ins. I hope this tutorial is useful. For those of you who have just discovered this channel, please subscribe. Turn the bells on to get the latest updates on our videos.